Alright, wow, look at this device. It has a protective case on. I'm going to leave that on there just for a second or two. Here are the wires in the back. Orange, red, brown, black, white, gray, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, brown. See, there's two browns there. And a ground. Mounting ears. What is going on? Whoa. Those look very pristine. I'm not even going to touch those. Those look like a mirror or something. Those have a mirror finish. Alright. Hey, if you guys can get this thing working and going, I'd love to see a video of this in action.